Hello guys, welcome back to Dots. So today we are going to make this splash screen using AdobeXD. So let's start. So first create a new project and take a blank sheet. Now we have to change the background color. So select the fill option and select the linear gradient. So select the first pointer and give it pure black and select the second pointer and give it dark gray color. So then select the circle option and add a circle in the layout. Now we need to make the circle transparent, so just select it and go to the fill option and make it transparent. Now expand the border size to 30. Now change the border color according to the background. Just drag the circle and simply copy and paste it. Now select the first circle and click on the shadow option and then change the shadow position, like x is equal to 10 and y equal to 10 and b equal to 15. Now select the shadow option and change the opacity. Now select the second circle and select the shadow option and then give the value x and y is -10. Here -10 is for the upper shadow and give the value of b is 15. Now change the shadow color and select the white color and make its opacity full for now. And then select the second circle and just drag it and then select the both circle and make it a component. Now drag it back into the layout. Now I just rename the component name to circle and then select the ellipse 2. Then go to the shadow option and adjust the shadow color according to the background. Now copy and paste the icon into the layout and so this is our component. So now we need to remove the border of this and give the background color using the color picker according to the layout background. And choose the shadow option and adjust its color, and then set the x and y value as 10 and b value as 15, and then make the duplicate of this component using copy and paste option, and select this shape and give it shadow and set the x and y value -10 and b value 15, and just drag the shape and select the both shape and make it a component using component option, and now drag it into the layout and just adjust it accordingly. You can add also your logo name or your channel name, but here I add our channel name, which is dots. Now follow the video to decorate this text. Now make a duplicate of it simply using copy and paste option. Then just drag it and then adjust the shadow color of it accordingly. Now change the value of x and y as -6 and b as 10, and drag it and adjust it accordingly. Now select the both text and make it component. And now you can adjust it as your choice. Now you can also adjust the above logo by making Now we need to create another shape, so please follow. and choose the component option and choose the subtraction 5 and then choose the shadow option and just remove it. Now do the same for subtraction 3 also. And now just drag it into the layout and adjust it accordingly. So our design is ready. Now you can use it as splash screen of your own application. Now just run it. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the like button.